Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning everyone. I am Yuli Alfianurrohmah. Today I would like to present a research. The title is Prospective ELT Students French Language Reading Attitudes and Motivation, written by Ozgul Ozandra, year 2015. The first is I would like to explain about abstract. This article reports the result of a study investigating prospective ELT students' French language reading attitudes and motivation. The study was carried out in January 2015 in English Language Teaching or ELT department at Hacettepe University. This study was conducted with a quantitative research design using a survey methodology to collect data about the participant reading attitudes and motivation. A total of 104 undergraduate students, female 76 and males 28. The result revealed that prospective ELT students have positive attitudes and motivation in French language reading. Also, there was a statistically significant positive correlation between academic achievement or GPA and attitudes and motivation in French language reading. The result indicate that there was no significant difference among groups regarding reading attitudes and motivation according to their GPA. The next slide is introduction. The integrative motivation was defined by Gardner as the language learners' desire to communicate and mingle with members of the target community. Many scholars contribute to motivation research either by verifying, negating, or modifying Gardner's model of second language or L2 learning motivation. Several models of language learning motivation have developed in the literature. The next slide is literature review. Attitudes and motivation are two concepts that are highly related to language learning achievement. The Latin root of the word motivation means to move. Journey 2006 defines the motivation as the direction and magnitude of human behavior in terms of people choice for particular action, their persistence, and the effort they spend on it. Student attitudes toward the learning situation influence their level of motivation to learn another language. In other words, they serve as foundation for motivation. Reading skill, on other hand, plays a central role in formal education. Reading is the basic skill for all academic disciplines. The next slide is methodology. Methodology contains setting and participant, research design, research question, and procedure for data collection and analysis. First is setting and participants. Confidence sampling was used to collect study participants. Confidence sampling is a non-probability sampling technique that is common in second language or French language L2 research. Next is research design. This study was conducted with a quantitative research design using a survey methodology to collect data about the participants' reading attitudes and motivation. Further, quantitative data were also gathered from the participants' cumulative grade point average or GPA scores and their gender. Next is research question. In order to explore prospective ELT, students' French language reading attitudes and motivation regarding their gender and academic achievement at tertiary level in Turkey, two research questions were formulated. First is, what are prospective ELT students' attitudes and motivation in French language reading? Second is there a relationship between the participants' academic achievement or GPA and their attitudes and motivation in French language reading? Procedures for data collection and analysis. This data collection technique was carried out at Hacettepe University in January 2015 with a short meeting with participants to explain the objective and implementation and a questionnaire. It takes approximately 10 minutes for students to complete all questions. Data analysis was carried out to answer the research question formulated for this study. Statistical analysis was performed using IBM SPSS Statistics 22, a comprehensive computer program used to help researchers perform statistical analysis quickly and accurately. And the last slide is result. The present study sought to investigate if there are a relationship EFL undergraduate students' reading attitudes and motivation and their academic achievement. The study also tried to find out whether there was any statistically significant difference in their reading attitudes and motivation by gender and GPA. So, I think that's all enough. I'm sorry if any mistakes. Thanks for your nice attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.